Hello guys, so in this video we will see what is relationship class and how we create it, and we are going to create one into our California dataset. So a relationship class is basically making a connection between two feature classes. Similar to what we did with the join and relates before, but the relationship class will create a connection between two feature classes based on a common attribute. So let's see how that will work. So let's go to our advanced folder and go to California folder, open California geodatabase and California dataset, and we will right click here and say I want to create a new relationship class. We will name this relationship cities relationship, and here we define the origin table, which will be our join cities, and the destination will be our Orange County cities polygon. So this is a points layer and this is the polygon layer, and we are sure that between them we have a common attribute table which called city name. So we will click next. Here we're gonna keep it simple, pair to pair, because we don't have a lot of attributes to connect them. We have only one attribute, which is the city name, so we will keep it pair to pair. We'll say next, and we will keep this names here the same. We will say next, and we want our relationship to be one-to-one. One-to-one means that one city point will be related to one city polygon. You can choose one-to-many, for example, like the example shown here. If we have parcels and we have owners for this parcels can have many owners, and one owner can have many parcels, and many owners can have one parcel. So that will be many to many in this case of the parcels and the owners. But for our case right now, we want only to connect the cities, so it will be one-to-one. So we'll go next, and we are not going to add any attribute for this relationship class. We'll say next, and here we choose the common field that will be common between these two feature classes. And we know that in our cities point we have the city name, and in our Orange County cities polygon we have the city name as well, and both of them have the same exact values. So we will say next and finish. Now we have a relationship class created for us right here. When we open our California MXD and we zoom in into our cities area and we try to add the relationship class, you will notice that when I drag and drop the relationship class right here, it cannot be added because relationship class doesn't have any features and doesn't have anything to view. It's just a relationship between these two feature classes that we created. The way to use the relationship class is by, if I come here and I open the attribute table for join cities, and at any point if you open attribute table and you cannot see any records, make sure that you have show all records selected instead of show selected records. So right now let's select a few records from here. We have all these records selected. Now if I go to the related tables and I open the drop down, I'll see the cities relationship, which represent the relationship class we created. When I click on it, it will open the attribute table for the Orange County cities polygon, and it will have all the common features selected for me right here. So as you see on the map here, originally I only selected the cities points, but right now I can see also the polygons selected for me. So if I come back here and I do selection like that, and I said I want to see the relationship, you will see that now I have another selection onto the Orange County cities polygon. So basically this is very common or similar to what join does, but join will create a new feature class based on this join. Relationship class will create only a relationship in the background for you. So whenever you work on one feature class and you want to see the relationship between another feature class, you can just come here to the related tables and enable to view the relationship between these two feature classes. So that's it for the relationship feature class, and if you have any questions, please let me know. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.